Happy Monday. I am doing a power hour this AM. My girls are with my mom, so I thought I would just catch up on some housework, and as you can see, my refrigerator needs attention. So I'm about to tackle this. I just finished making my bed, and then I'm going to move on to the next thing. Alright, so it took me a little over 10 minutes. I wiped all the shelves down, reorganized everything, and now I'm going to see what we need and put it on my grocery list, and then I need to tackle my kitchen. Okay, just some real life coming at you. We did not do our Sunday night reset, so I am behind on dishes. I'm going to finish unloading, then I'm going to do the dishes, scrub the countertops. I also need to tackle my stove today, and then we'll see how much more I can get done after that. Alright, I've got a cleaning hack for you that is one of my favorites. I saw this on Instagram months ago, and I use this when my kitchen sink is really grimy. All you're going to do is take Dawn soap, sprinkle it around your sink. Then you're going to layer the baking soda and then the vinegar, and you're going to have this bubbling sensation. It's going to be awesome. It's going to get all those hard spots cleaned, and then you rinse it and you'll have a shiny sink. Alright, so my kitchen is clean. I just deep cleaned everything. My kitchen sink is nice and shiny. I got that done. And see, I have about 10 minutes left on my power hour. I am fixing to go over our grocery list, see what I need to add. And I also need to make a menu plan for this week, so I'm about to tackle that. Alright, so I got my power hour done. I made my bed. I started a load of laundry. I cleaned out my fridge. Deep cleaned my kitchen, did the dishes, worked on my grocery list, got a menu plan going, and I just poured myself a cup of iced coffee, and I'm about to sit down and read God's Word. I just want to encourage you, if you are a stay-at-home mom or a working mom, or maybe you are in a different phase of life entirely, if you are overwhelmed or discouraged, just make some time for Jesus, and He will fill your cup. Have a great day.